Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello everyone, Norhalma here once again, welcoming our subscribers and podcast listeners. If you're new here, thank you for allowing us to share valuable marketing, accounting, and production tips and strategies to help your construction business thrive. In episode 634 today, we discuss about financial red flags your construction company can't afford to ignore. Let's get into it. As a construction bookkeeper, I've had a unique vantage point watching countless projects unfold from the first bid to the final payment. While the hammers and blueprints are the visible signs of progress, it's the numbers behind the scenes that truly tell the story of a company's health. And let me tell you, those numbers often whisper warnings before they start screaming. Small business owners in the construction industry are incredibly busy. You're juggling bids, managing crews, dealing with permits, and ensuring client satisfaction. It's easy for subtle financial warning signs, what I call red flags, to get overlooked until they become critical problems. However, ignoring these signals can lead to severe cash flow issues, stalled growth, and even business failure. Based on what I've observed, here are 5 common financial red flags that you absolutely cannot afford to ignore, along with practical steps you can take to address them. Red flag number 1. Constant cash flow crisis despite profitable projects. This is the most puzzling red flag for many owners. You look at your profit and loss statement, and it shows a healthy profit. Yet, your bank account is always running on fumes. You're constantly chasing payments, delaying supplier invoices, or juggling funds to make payroll. Why it's a problem? Profit is a theoretical measure of what you've earned over a period. Cash flow is the actual money moving in and out of your business. In construction, where you often incur significant costs up front, materials, labor for the first phase, and payments come in installments, often with retainage held back. It's entirely possible to be profitable on paper, but cash poor in reality. This constant stress impacts your ability to take on new projects, negotiate better deals, and even pay your team on time, leading to low morale. How to fix it? Implement robust progress billing, aggressive accounts receivable or AR management, negotiate favorable payment terms with suppliers and subcontractors, manage retainage proactively, and build a cash reserve. Even a small percentage of profits set aside each month into a dedicated savings account can create a vital buffer for lean times. Aim for 3 to 6 months of operating expenses. Red flag number 2. Consistently inaccurate project estimates, leading to underbidding. Do you frequently find projects ending up significantly over budget, eating into your expected profit margins, or even becoming a loss? Do you often need to inform clients about additional costs? This points directly to issues with your initial estimating process. Why it's a problem? Inaccurate estimates mean you're consistently underbidding, leaving money on the table. Or worse, taking on jobs that will inevitably lose you money. This directly impacts your profitability and, by extension, your cash flow, as you're funding the gap with either the cash from other projects or your capital. It also damages client trust when costs unexpectedly balloon. How to fix it? Implement detailed job costing. Learn from past projects. Categorize and standardize. Develop a comprehensive system of cost codes for materials, labor types, and activities to ensure accurate and consistent tracking of cost. This consistency makes it easier to track and compare data across projects. Build in contingency and use estimating software. Red flag number 3. Uncontrolled material waste and loss. Are materials constantly going missing or getting damaged on site? Or are you consistently buying more than what was initially estimated? This is a direct drain on your project's profitability and your company's cash. Why it's a problem? Every piece of wasted or lost material is money directly out of your pocket. It means you're paying more than you bid, leading to cost overruns. It can also cause project delays while you wait for replacements. How to fix it? Implement strict inventory control using secure storage, material tracking system, and regular site cleanliness. Careful material handling, accurate takeoffs, and return unused materials. Red flag number 4. Inefficient labor utilization and unaccounted time. Labor is often the most significant cost for a construction company. Suppose your crews are standing around, waiting for materials, traveling excessively between job sites without proper tracking, or simply not as productive as they could be. In that case, your labor costs are likely to be increasing significantly. Why it's a problem? Every idle hour or misspent minute costs you money. Inefficient labor directly reduces your profit margins and can cause projects to fall behind schedule, leading to client dissatisfaction and potential penalty clauses. Unaccounted time can also lead to compliance issues with wage and hour laws. How to fix it? Accurate time tracking, optimize scheduling and workflow, cross-training, train your crew members on various tasks. This provides flexibility and prevents delays if one skilled worker is absent or busy elsewhere. Daily huddles or toolbox talks begin each day with a brief meeting to review tasks, identify potential roadblocks, and ensure everyone is aware of their role. And regular performance reviews. Identify bottlenecks or areas where productivity can be improved. Provide training or reassign tasks as needed. And red flag number 5. Lack of financial visibility and untimely reporting. Are your financial reports always weeks or months behind? Do you rely on gut feeling more than actual numbers to make business decisions? Do you only look at your bank balance at the end of the month? This means you're flying blind. Why it's a problem? Without up-to-date and accurate financial information, you cannot make informed decisions. You won't spot cash flow issues, cost overruns, or unprofitable projects until it's too late. This lack of visibility prevents strategic planning and proactive problem solving. How to fix it? Invest in good accounting software. Maintain clean books consistently. Because this provides a real-time picture. Review key reports regularly, job costing reports, accounts receivable aging report. And work closely with your bookkeeper. A good construction bookkeeper isn't just a data entry specialist. We are, your financial partner. They can provide And we can provide you valuable insights, flag potential issues, and help you understand your numbers, enabling you to make informed, profitable decisions. Identifying and addressing these financial red flags isn't about adding more burdens to your plate. It's about building a stronger, more resilient construction business. By taking proactive steps and staying on top of your numbers, you can turn those red flags into green lights for growth and lasting profitability. Don't let hidden financial issues undermine your hard work on the job site. Empower yourself with clarity and control. And that ends our blog post for today. If you would like to learn more about financial red flags, or you're preparing to start your own construction business, unsure of what services to outsource, please don't hesitate to contact us by calling our toll-free number at 1-800-361-1770, or you can also call our Washington State local phone number 206-361-3950. And of course, our podcast promo code is still available for you to use. Our dear subscribers and listeners in our Fast Easy Accounting Store and Construction Accounting Academy for a 20% discount. It's podcast 20, PODCAST 20. Again, that's podcast 20. On behalf of our team here at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.